What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be launching my F80 M3 from 6,000 RPM and we're going to see what happens. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a much needed break from the ISF. I'm pretty exhausted. I wake up and work on this car every single morning up until I have to go to work pretty much, and then I work all night and then I come home and repeat. So I really need a break from this thing. It's coming along good. We got a lot of the sides that I sanded down, we got them all primed, and then I also threw a layer of clear coat over them to help the vinyl stick. But everything's looking really good, nice and smooth. Today we're going to be going over my Burble settings, my Bootmod3 Burble settings on my F80 M3. The M3 is pretty dirty. I've been dailying it every day since I've been working on that Lexus. So it's pretty dirty. Luckily it's white, so you can't really tell, other than like the wheels. The wheels always get pretty dusty. Man, this thing needs a wash. Alright guys, as far as what you're going to need, you're obviously going to need the Bootmod software. You're going to have a license to use the tunes and use all the settings and stuff. So we have that obviously, and then you're gonna need this adapter. So it's a Ethernet to USB adapter. I will link this down in the description if you need to pick one of these up. I think they're like 10 bucks on Amazon, so I'll put the link for the one I got. And then you're also gonna need this right here. So it's a OB2 to Ethernet. I got mine from Keys Motorsports. Pretty much that's where I got my tune from. And when I got the tune, I also ordered this cable. So all I had to buy separate was this right here. They sell one there too, but this one was cheaper and it works just fine. So we're gonna go ahead and hook this into the OB2 down here, and then I will pull up the software and I'll show you guys my settings, and then we'll go for a little drive. All right guys, so once you have the Ethernet cable plugged into the OB2 into the laptop, your car is gonna, once you run boot mode, the car's gonna recognize and turn itself on. So then you want to go to the Bootmod website, and from there you're gonna want to go down to my maps. I'm currently on the stage 1 91 octane, so the California map, because I don't have downpipes yet, so that's the tune I'm running. Once I get downpipes, I'll go ahead and go to stage 2, but for now we're on stage 1, so I'm gonna click on that, and then we're gonna go to configure, and then this is gonna let you access all your settings. So exhaust burble type. From here, we're gonna go down to, right now I have it on OTS, but I want to do my own. I was trying that one out, but I didn't really like it. I have the sport duration at 0.4, sport plus duration at 0.5, and then I have the sport aggression at 1.2, sport plus aggression at 1.5. So we brought the minimum speed down to 50, and then the max speed up to 200. This is kilometers per hour. See right here, kilometers per hour. Minimum RPM 1500, and then for max RPM, I just went all the way to the end, which is like 8,000, which the car doesn't even rev up to. So, and then we're gonna go ahead and save changes. Make sure you hit save changes. Hit that, confirm. Successful. All right, cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and flash it onto the car. It's gonna run through its cycle. Don't worry about all this stuff going on. It's kind of scary if this is your first time doing it. You see like all this collision warning. This is one of the main things I love about this car and this platform and BMWs in general, is how tuner friendly and easy it is to tune your car and make adjustments on your own with a laptop or a cell phone. If you want to buy the adapter, you can do it all from your cell phone as well. So I love that about it. It's really cool. I could never do stuff like that on my Lexus. Stock mufflers, just a VRSF mid-pipe, that's it. It's pretty good. I think it sounds pretty good. I really like how it is right now. I do have catted downpipes going in the car pretty soon, but for now it sounds pretty legit. Sounds pretty good. Trying to get the car nice and warmed up. It's not fully warmed up yet, so I'm just driving around a little bit. The burbles don't really go into effect until the car's actually warmed up to operating temps. Then you can really hear what it sounds like. You guys see that? There's a coyote. What's up, G? What up? Where you going? What the f? That's how you know I live out in the outskirts. Guys, we got the GoPro all set up. I don't know about this, guys. This might not be a good idea. Damn, could you guys imagine if I would have drove off? That shit would have been gone. Damn. All right, guys. Let me rethink this, and then we'll continue on with the video. All right, guys, I'm just gonna give you guys some revs here on the side of the road. Give you guys some revs. Hopefully it sounds good. The car doesn't burble as much as it would if you were driving, but we'll do some standing revs, let you guys hear how it sounds. Once I put the downpipes, I think it'll sound a lot better and the burbles will be a little bit louder, so that'll be nice. But for now, let's give this a try and see how it sounds.